John is working on this 1990 735 Li E32. Honestly, I worked on this car years and years and years ago on a different shop. I did the head job on it. Super clean car. It belongs to Eurasian Bob's now. We're doing the front suspension, but one control arm is like super stuck. So we're gonna have to use some heat to break it loose. Ready, John?
See?
Let's do it.
As soon as it gets super hot, I'm gonna take this air hammer and start hitting it from the bottom, see if we can get it to pop up. The other side, I just hit it once and it popped right up. So this one just did not want to come out. So we'll just torture it a little bit and see if it'll finally pop. I'm ready.
God have mercy. Freaking Bob.
Oh.
We're gonna have to change the lower control arm too for that.
Did Bob have a knuckle in the yard?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Really cool.
Okay. I think Bob's gonna put a new knuckle. Well, Bob's gonna get us a knuckle for it and see if we can just change it out because that's not coming out.
Yo!
Hey Bob, the left front spindle, the control arm, not even God can break that one loose.
Oh, you got a bolt you can't get loose?
Yeah, it won't come out at all. We use heat, we use everything. Do you have a spindle on the yard?
I'll have to check and see. I don't think yeah, I might. I don't know. I'll have to check and see.
Yeah, the driver's side, because the rest is done. We just need that and then you can have the car back.
Okay. Okay, let me text her.
Okay, make sure include the lower control arm with it.
Right, because they're stuck together.
Yeah, but the upper one I'm changing, I'm putting brand new.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, let me know. I guess that's all we can do on that car for now. We have to wait for Bob. I'm pretty sure he should have, I mean, he's got so many cool stuff in there, so he should have a spare part. Next vehicle is going to be this 2000 Audi TT. It's got a super bad knock on the engine and also a coolant leak. So basically the knock is from the power steering pump, the pulley just doing this right now. And pretty much it leaked all the fluid out, and then the coolant leak, there's this flange right here that is warped or cracked, or I bet you it's cracked. It is cracked, that we're gonna change. That one looks easy. Power steering pump, I never done one, but according to the labor guide, it's not too bad. And actually it's just down there, so I don't think it's gonna be bad at all. So let's find out. So this is the pump right here. Yeah, it's making a horrible noise and it's leaking really good. So let's just remove the belt and get it done. I mean, it's hard to tell like this, honestly. It has to be at engine speed, but it's horrible. So now we're gonna remove all the 4 screws, drop the pump down because there is a pressure sensor on the pressure line, which I never seen before. So this is pump number 1, pump number 2. It's a power steering pump day. We just finished yesterday a 745 power steering pump. They are very common to break and throw the belt out, so I'm going to show you on this real quick. Right here. Again, this is for a 745, correction, a 740 E38. Somehow they just break here all the time. Nice. Always replace the crush washers, especially on this situation here. It's kind of a pain to get to. Perfect. Got the sensor in with new washers. Almost there. Hey, perfect. So I'm prying just gently on the air pump to start the bottom screw. Just be careful, because I mean there is rubber mounts holding it in place. Luckily this one is new, or they look new, they look flexible enough. So pump, it's all tightened, all 4 screws they're tightened, nice and good. Supply line and pressure line, they're all secured. About to put the pulley, put the belt on. We're going to put some fluid and we're going to start it to make sure it's fine before we move to the cooling repair. Would you be so kind and start this one, please?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so it's cracked right here. So basically it's cracked right here. This is super easy, it's only 2 screws. You got to love these pliers. The whole thing is frozen in here, so just bear with me for 1 second. Usually those are snap hose clamps, like spring type, and if you cannot put your pliers there, this tool works great. So what it does, just when you squeeze it, it just gets smaller and smaller, and it just compress the clamp right there. And it worked. I don't know if you can see the crack because it's wet right now, but it's right here. From here all the way to here. Oh, there we go. On the inside. See the crack? The white line? So, about to put this one back. It's pretty straightforward. 2 screws, 3 hoses, 1 sensor. Refill the cooling system. Make sure always wash your residue with water, you know, and just go drive it, make sure it's good, and give it to the customer. Friday, it's almost the end of the day. By the time I'm done with this, it's time to go home. I'm tired. It's been a busy day, so this is it for this. Appreciate you for watching. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and enjoy.